Pamela on my YouTube. Cho no, what's the T? Siyahlazia. In a normal world, and it's okay, they're supposed to be arrested, all of them, the ones that were in the house, defeating the ends of justice. But Babosh, because a mastermind, some days we mastermind, some days no, is not, but I warrant of arrest. Accused number 0 Masubuka. And apparently was also going to get work Def wayezothola umsebenzi besides the 45 million that was going to be given to him as a bribe. Oh my gosh, bribes, those things don't end well. Actually, the 45 million was going to be given to Defo to bribe him ukuthi athule ngoba he knows more about the case. This is why noma umela ngithi babeqala bemxosha, get out of my court. Kusho umela because he was just like he figured, you know, this guy is enkingeni into kanti mina sengingahola phela. And you remember futhi ukuthi uJudge Maumela was the same person who's still going into hearings. I'm just like, that old, why would you do to yourself? But what happened was that with Maumela, he bulldozed this case. Apparently he wasn't supposed to do this case. So the 45 million actually was for just Defo only, so that he can just be like, but I'm just like, oh, and 45 million to come in some secret fund, secret services, let's put it that way. Guys, South Africa, right? It's so crazy how Uchiko once said, what do you mean my son deleted Senzo? Why would you say that? Why would he even unalive Senzo? I'm just like, bruh, even you. I think ngiyithatha nje imali engaka now 45 million ngihlala ngibuza ke nami ukuthi waqhamuka 45 million to be distributed to so many people. I guess Ugininda got a lot of chunk from that. I'm just guessing at the back of my mind. I'm just like, what? Guys, apparently Utefo is having meetings on the side about this. This is gonna blow up. Yeah, futhi, I don't wanna see Ubaloyi uzozaca in one day, I promise you. Who have been doing as they please. This 636 docket that was created must fall. We are so tired of it. Oh my gosh, I'm just like, Sikatele, you know? 375 must come forward. Abone Madlang is taking us to other directions now. It's just like, bonke abantu ababenamanga nini, their time is over. So kuthiwa-ke it's 45 million that was actually distributed between the people to shut their mouths. Njengoba ubona nje sikle mess that we in right now with the Senzo Meyiwa case. Aliphuma iqiniso. To a point where even traditional healers, one traditional healer once said, Leo mali izophela. Eventually, the waterfalls in Popoma of that money will dry up. Oh, it's just like even you by January 2026, and people will start to sing like canaries. Uwena, actually, you are the one that came with the gun. Lapaka Kumalo at Makumalo's house, and you shot Senzo. I'm just like, honestly, guys, that's 45 million, and just because we don't want to tell the truth, why? So that's what happens. Usbiya bona ushada kusibi. Oh my gosh, nangu baba. Igandals are they coming nje like you've never actually uyayithatha cup bese kuzu bayafana. In fact, I can't say one is better. They are dirty cops or both of them. Hey bro, I'm just like, guys, nilala kanjani so good families and all of that doing such crappy jobs to South Africans and lie to us daily. There are children who see themselves in the next 30 years. I say, oh my gosh, I want to be a general. But ufunda ini general ebole kanje ama general right now. You know? Hayi. Uyabona ukuthi ngempela ukuthi umkhwanazi umesaya wethu phela. Ngapha sebemzame kunini bemtrya. Bethi nama. Awuthi when you are telling the truth, then come with the truth forward. I mean, why do you keep on saying unayimaka? Ukirona awubuleli maka. So you must come. Please. Phela uma lisela Tefo u-advocate, he's on a mission. I'm just like, bro, like, what are you doing? Oh my gosh. Khona wathi akathule leyo bazomdubula. I was just like, kodwa now, how can you say things like that? So, uTefo, guys, is even pushing to go to parliament. I'm like, what? So scary. He's pushing the 375, guys. The people who were in the house, Kasenzo Meyo, vele thina, that's all we are looking for. Siyababona ke laba abanye okuthiwa basabela impilo zabo, we get it, to come as witnesses for the defense, right? And Ubalo is just like, no, I gave you. Mina nginikhululile, you are free, you can. But at the back of their minds, they're laughing. They're just like, those people will never come and testify. Bayasaba, you know. They fear for their lives. I would therefore is like, listen, I'm one of the witnesses or Mr. I'm here, I'm available and free. Anytime you want me, I can actually be the first witness when you come back on the 13th of October. I'm here. Come on, guys. I'm just like, yeah, guys. It's like crazy. So, therefore, uthi no, actually, nase parliament enkhona. Ngaleso sikhathi kumadlanga eqhamuka indaba. I need to have always repeated. This whole week I've been repeating this whole thing, yeah. General Shadrack Sibiya ukuthi wafika kaSenzo Meyo, guys. It's just so unfair what he did there. Watshela uMakhubo ukuthi cima. Those are uMakhubo is just like, when I'm not a dirty cop, I don't want to be involved actually anymore. There's even a rumor ukuthi he actually resigned. It's ups. Ngoba besebemgijimisa boma last year bebekhahlela kwakhe bakhahlela at some stage bakhahlela umnyango. They found the child. The child was actually not they found him. He was actually there. But he was safe. They were just Njibabetus. Ngoba there was that whole thing ukuthi he's coming for 375 to tell us about the people who were in the house and what happened. Because vele guys, I mean, so khuluma sesikhathale for the Senzo Meyiwa case, there's a lot of money that was paid, and for people to keep their mouths shut and just confuse the case completely like how it is now. It's a mess.